Discovering nature.
Discovering nature. Let's go race, yeah, guys! I'm so curious! This is the first time I've seen a scorpion face to face. Look. Is that scary? It almost stayed a cricket. Perfect! An animal exhibit. Let's take a look at some stuff. These are dead things.
What are they?
This is a skin-lined runner, race runner.
Six-lined, race runner.
I can't see the heads, but they look cool. Crayfish. Green.
Anole? Anole?
This looks like a snake. Ground skin. Greek crab. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. Yellow believe slider. Upland horse frog. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, a baby turtle. Oh, I didn't see you.
So the big one is a yellow belly slider, and the little one is a red-eared slider.
Hello.
Oh wait, there's another. So both the big ones are yellow belly sliders. So these are all the nocturnal animals. So in there, in the hole, is the I can see just a bit of the skunk.
Well,
I see his little face.
Looking at us.
Hi, buddy.
Do you guys see that?
Yeah, look, I got it.
He's so cute. Ooh, more turtle.
Eastern box turtle.
Oh, he's alive.
What's that guy doing? What you doing, buddy?
He's eating. What is that? Rat snake.
There it is.
Oh, he's big. Hello.
Hey.
Don't you dare try to bite us.
He says, "Are you Harry Potter?"
No.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Where is he? Oh, he's cute.
He's a cutie.
Yeah, I want to pet him. Oh, he's coming towards us. Oh, he's going to eat more. Oh, no, he's not. He's coming towards us. He's adorable.
He is adorable.
He is adorable.
This is the an owl. Look at him.
He's so cute.
Look at him.
He's like, what is going on? And some people will satisfy me. He's adorable. I want an owl.
Okay, here we are.
Hello. One just flew over me. They're not scared.
Oh, what a pretty one. The yellow and black stripes. That's a Hufflepuff butterfly.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
If one is on their head, that's their job.
They're flying all over the place.
It's all over the place with me on my head.
Whoa!
He likes us.
It scared me and it laughed. Did you hear it laugh?
Yeah. That was cool.
He keeps flying over to us to say hello, and every time he lands, he makes a sound that sounds like a little giggle, like he just played a joke on us. Hi.
Oh, you guys, this is a butterfly area.
There's a bunch up there. And all at the top of that tree. There's been one hanging out right there for a while. He was flying towards you. I feel like I saw a lot more in here when we first came in.
I just saw a mistake I made. Who's that going?
Noelle. I thought my kid
She
was...
found the gift shop.
Okay. Hey, buddy.
There you go. Oh, lights on. You guys, I had fun at the Science Museum. There's lots of cute, cool things you didn't see too. Like I found some friends. So thanks for hanging out with me and having fun. Like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!